Turkish kebabs are cooked over open flames, preserving ancient traditions. Charcoal grilling brings a smoky charm to the beloved dish, kebab. Skewered meat sizzles on the grill, filling the air with savory aromas. Flatbread is warmed to perfection, ready to be sliced and served. Yogurt sauce and fresh herbs add a cool, refreshing touch to the plate. Tomatoes and onions are carefully selected to complement the kebab. Meze, a selection of small dishes, accompanies the kebab, a traditional pairing. The aroma of charcoal and meat wafts through the Turkish grill, enticing passers-by. Kebab shops and street food counters showcase the art of charcoal grilling. Each kebab is carefully assembled, with a focus on presentation and flavor. The combination of smoky meat, warm bread, and cool sauce is a perfect blend. The hospitality of Turkish culture is reflected in the generous serving of meze and kebab. Turkish hospitality is deeply rooted in the serving of warm flatbread. Freshly baked flatbread is a staple in every Turkish meal setting. Kebab shops often warm their flatbread on charcoal grills for added flavor. The aroma of warm bread wafts through the streets, enticing passers-by. Sliced kebab is typically served with a side of warm flatbread and yogurt sauce. Meze plates are also accompanied by an assortment of fresh herbs and tomatoes. The combination of textures and flavors creates a truly immersive experience. Charcoal grilling adds a distinct smokiness to the skewered meat and bread. Assembling the perfect plate is an art form in Turkish cuisine and culture. Warming flatbread on a charcoal grill requires great skill and attention. The result is a crispy crust and a soft, airy interior that pairs perfectly. Whether served at a kebab shop or a street food counter, the experience is unforgettable. Meze Delights offer a variety of small dishes to complement kebab. Turkish cuisine is known for its rich flavors and hospitality. Skewered meat sizzles on the charcoal grill, filling the air. Yogurt sauce and fresh herbs add a cool, refreshing touch. Tomatoes and cucumbers are carefully arranged on the plate. Assembling the perfect meze plate is an art form in itself. Each dish is carefully prepared to create a harmonious balance. Kebab shops and street food counters showcase the best of meze. Charcoal grilling brings out the unique flavors of the meat. Meze is often served with a steaming cup of Turkish tea. Breakfast spreads feature an array of meze delights and flatbread. Bread is a staple in Turkish cuisine, served with every meal. Freshly baked flatbread is often warmed on the charcoal grill. Savory aromas waft through the kebab shop, enticing passers-by. Skewered meat sizzles on the grill, filling the air with smoky flavors. Turkish breakfast spreads feature an array of meze delights. Yogurt sauce and sliced tomatoes complement the rich flavors. Herbs and spices add depth to the traditional kebab recipe. Charcoal grilling imparts a unique flavor to the skewered meat. Warming flatbread on the grill brings out its natural sweetness. Assembling a plate of kebab, meze, and flatbread is an art form. Turkish hospitality is renowned, with food playing a central role. Sharing a meal with others is a cherished tradition in Turkish culture. Turkish hospitality is deeply rooted in sharing meals with others daily. Meze plates are carefully prepared to accompany skewered kebab perfectly. Flatbread is warmed to perfection on the charcoal grill always. Kebab shops serve as community gathering places for locals and visitors. Charcoal grilling brings out the rich flavors of the skewered meat nicely. The aroma of sizzling kebab fills the air, enticing passers-by constantly. Yogurt sauce and fresh herbs complement the smoky flavors of kebab well. Tomatoes and cucumbers add a refreshing crunch to the meze plate always. Turkish breakfast spreads feature an array of cheeses, jams, and breads beautifully. Steaming cups of tea are served alongside the breakfast spread traditionally. Family and friends gather around the table to share in the feast warmly. In Turkish culture, food is a symbol of love, respect, and hospitality always. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.